After entering into the woodshed, Sergei saw, he saw meaning is Sergei saw the pseudo teacher, pseudo meaning is false teacher, who was calling himself a teacher, fake teacher, seat himself. He sat on a log, log meaning is a piece of wood, and become lost in thought and started thinking about something with his red cheeks resting meaning is keeping on his fist meaning is closed hand. The woman flung down meaning is thrown or threw an axe meaning is with which he has to cut the wood, at his feet, spat angrily, spat meaning is spoke angrily, and judging from the expression of her lips, judging meaning is by seeing the expression of her lips, her meaning is Olga's lips, began to scold him, means it looks that as Sergei was seeing from the window, so by judging the expression of Olga's lips he thought that she was scolding to the beggar. The beggar irresolutely meaning is hesitation. With hesitation, beggar pulled a billet meaning is he took the thick piece of wood towards him, set it up between his feet, kept that wood between his feet, and tapped meaning is hit it feebly meaning is weakly with the axe. The billet meaning same, a piece of wood, wavered and fell down. Wavered meaning is shook, means when the beggar hit the piece of wood with the axe, the same piece of wood shook and fell down from his feet. The beggar again pulled it to him, again he took towards him, blew on his freezing hand, blown some air on his hands, tapped it, again he hit the tapped it with his axe cautiously, again he tried to hit the log of wood, means piece of wood, with his axe cautiously meaning is carefully, as if afraid of, because he had a fear in fear that while hitting the log of wood he would hit his overshoe, or of cutting off his finger, or maybe he could cut his finger also. The stick of wood again fell to the ground, and when he again hit with axe, then again the stick fell down to the ground. Sergei's anger had vanished meaning is disappeared or finished, and he now began to feel a little sorry, and he was feeling little sorry and ashamed, and he was feeling even shame of himself, because he had, why he was feeling sorry and shame for himself, for having set a spoiled meaning is useless, drunken meaning is who was always in the drunken state or a drunkard, perhaps meaning is maybe a sick man to work, because he had given a work to useless, drunken and a sick person at manual labor in the cold. Manual meaning is that he had to do the work with hands, means that by seeing that the beggar hasn't cut a single piece of wood, Sergei's anger disappeared, and he started getting feeling sorry and shame of himself, because he had given the work to the useless and a drunken person. And which kind of work he had given? He had given the manual work. Manual meaning is the work which he had to do with hands in a cold weather. An hour later, after an hour, Olga came in and announced that, and told to the Sergei that the wood had been chopped, wood had been cut. Good, give him half a ruble, said Sergei. Then Sergei told Olga that give the beggar half a ruble. Ruble meaning is Russian currency. If he wants to means if he wanted, if the beggar wanted, then he could come back and cut wood on the first day of each month. Means every month the beggar would come to Sergei's place, and first day of every month he would come and cut wood for Sergei. We can always find work for him, and if they would not have the work of cutting wood, then they would give him any other work to the beggar. On the first of the month, the waif meaning is same, homeless and helpless, Who was homeless and helpless? The beggar. On the first day of the month, the beggar made his appearance, means he came in Sergei's house and again earned half a ruble and again earned money, although he could barely stand on his legs. Barely meaning is hardly. Whether he was not able to stand on his leg means he was in the drunken state, but he again came and earned half a ruble. From that day on and from that day continuously, he often appeared. Often meaning is mostly he was coming in the yard. He was seeing in the yard of the Sergei, and every time work was found for him, and he was given some kind of work every time whenever he came to Sergei's house. Now he would shovel snow. Sometime he was a shovel meaning is removing the snow. Now put the woodshed means what kind of work they are giving to the beggar. Sometime they are giving him the work of removing snow. Sometime they are giving the work to put the woodshed in the order, means to arrange the woods in the woodshed. Sometime they are giving him the order, giving him the work of beating the dust out of the rugs, means from the mats. They are giving him the work to remove the dust or mattresses. Every time he received, and whenever they are giving him the work, they are giving him 20 to 40 kopecks, means Russian currency, they are giving him. And once even a pair of old trouser, or one time they had given him the pair of old trouser to the beggar. When Sergei moved into another house, when Sergei was shifting from the old house to the new house, he was hired. Sergei hired the beggar. Hired meaning is he called beggar for the work, and he would pay him on rent, we can say, to help in the packing and hauling. Hauling meaning is carrying the furniture. This time the waif was sober, but this time the beggar was sober, meaning is normal, means he was not in the drunken state. He was looking gloomy. Gloomy meaning is sad and silent. He hardly touched the furniture, means he was not touching even the, means he was not helping to the Sergei, and walked behind the wagons. Wagons meaning is carts or the vehicles through which they are shifting the furniture. He was just moving behind the vehicle, hanging his head, bending his head, not even making a pretense of appearing busy, means even he was not showing that he was doing the work. He only shivered in the cold. His body was shivering due to the cold and became embarrassed, and he was feeling very embarrassed, meaning is shy. When the carter jeered, carter meaning is person who was driving the vehicles, who was driving the wagons, they were jeered. Jeered meaning is making fun of the beggar. As the beggar was not doing work, he was just moving freely. They were making the other carters, other persons were making fun of him for his idleness. Idleness meaning is not doing any work. His feebleness, even they were making fun of his weakness. Feebleness meaning is weakness. And his tattered meaning is torn clothes. Fancy overcoat. His overcoat was torn, and they were making fun of his clothes also. After the moving was over, Sergei sent for him. Sent for meaning is called, means after the furniture was shifted, Sergei called the beggar. And what did he tell to the beggar? He told, well, I am happy that my words have taken effect, means as I had scolded you, or as I had told you for the doing any kind of work, and now these words are showing the effect, means you had started doing work and you had stopped drinking. Sergei said, handing him a ruble, and while saying this thing, he gave him a currency, or he gave him money. Here's for your pains. Pains meaning is for your work, means these rubles are for your work. I see you are sober, means you are not in a drunken state and have no objection to work, and you are not even showing any objection. You are not against of doing any work. What is your name? Then now, after taking the work from some days, from a month we can say, Sergei asked from the beggar his name. Now the beggar told his name as Lashkov. Then Sergei said, well, Lashkov, I can now offer you some other, means he could give him some other task. like a cleaner employment. Cleaner employment meaning is in which he has to do some work, normal work we can say. Can you write? Then he asked from the beggar whether he could write. Then beggar said, yes, I could. Then Sergei said, then take this letter. He handed him the letter and told him that this letter was given by the friend of Sergei. Then take this letter to a friend. Then Sergei said to the beggar that take this letter and go to the friend of Sergei the next day, and you will be given, you meaning is the beggar would be given some copying meaning is to do, to give, he would give him a his friend, Sergei's friend would give him some written work to do, and there he should work hard, there the beggar should work hard, he should not drink, and he should remember what Sergei have said to him, and he said him goodbye. Pleased meaning is happy at having put a man on the right path, and the Sergei was very happy that he had divert the person from a drunken to a sober man. And Sergei tapped Leshkov kindly. He tapped on Leshkov's shoulder kindly, and even gave him his hand at parting, means he shook his hand while departure. Leshkov took the letter, and from that day forth, means from that day onward, came no more to the yard for work, and Leshkov didn't come to Sergei's yard for work.